The next thing we want to talk about is the installation precautions of calcium carbide slag ball press for mechanical forming host. Check whether the electrical parts are normal before starting the machine. Work roller spacing should be maintained between 0.5 to 0.8 millimeters, such as too large or too small can loosen the passive roll bearing and wire drawing to adjust it. Adjusted. Tighten the screw and wire drawing. For the main engine of hydraulic molding, we should first check whether the electrical work is normal, whether the turn of the mold roller and hydraulic mercury is positive, and then check whether the die hole of the two rollers is correct. The spacing between the two rollers should be between 0.4 to 0.6 millimeters. If it is too big or too small, we should adjust it. After everything is normal, the mechanical oil should be added to the reducer. The hydraulic oil should be added to the hydraulic mercury box. Start the machine and test the pressure. Start the machine and test the production after everything is normal.